In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on shadows in Revit. Shadows are a simple toggle that instantly adds depth and realism to your model, making forms easier to read and presentations more compelling. The great news is that you don't need a full render to get them. Revit can display real-time shadows directly in your working views. Start by opening the view where you want to see shadows. You'll get the clearest result in a 3D view because the model's geometry, contours, and overhangs are all visible at once. If you're exploring massing, checking facade articulation, or preparing a quick walkthrough, a 3D view is your best friend. Remember that this is a view-specific setting, so the shadows you turn on here won't affect other views in your project. Next, look to the bottom of your Revit window for the View Control Bar. This is the slim toolbar that runs along the lower edge of the drawing area. It's where you control how a view looks, things like the level of detail, the visual style, and of course, shadows. Find the button labeled Shadows Off On. Click it once to toggle shadows on. You'll see the model update right away. Surfaces facing away from the light source become darker, recesses feel deeper, and the overall composition gains contrast and legibility. If the change seems subtle, that's normal. Shadow intensity depends on lighting conditions and the geometry in your scene. Exterior views with clear sun angles tend to show a dramatic difference, while interiors can appear softer. Try orbiting the model or panning around to appreciate how forms relate to one another when shadowing is active. A few helpful notes as you work. Turning on shadows affects only the current view and doesn't modify your model, so it's safe to use for quick design checks or client previews. Real-time shadows do require a bit more graphics processing, so if your model is very large, you might notice a slight performance dip. Simply toggle the button off when you need maximum speed. For printed or exported visuals, shadows look great in view captures and on-screen presentations. If you're preparing documentation, consider which views benefit from the added depth and keep the rest streamlined for clarity and performance. That's all there is to it. Open the view you want, ideally a 3D view, and click the Shadows Off On button on the View Control Bar. It's a tiny switch that makes a big difference in how your model reads.